unique expressions.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this paper graduation cup for mason jars. Perfect for a graduation gift. These are the materials you're going to be needing. I'm also providing you a link for you to download for free a PDF form to have the template. It's also in a SVG file. If you have a cutting machine, I suggest you to use paper that is hard, like cardstock or construction paper. The first thing to do is to fold the tabs like you see here. The next thing to do is to insert the end tab in the opening to make a circle, just like this. Now we're going to add glue to the tabs like this to then glue it to the square. It's time now to glue the tassel. Just adding a little bit of glue and trying to put it in the middle and an angle, just like this. Now let me show you the fun part. You can add dollar bills inside, or you can add candy. Both options are good. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Goodbye, thank you for watching. Until next time, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.